Next, take a couple garlic cloves like this. And the best way to do it is you just take a knife like this, yeah, smash it. Take this one, smash it. And you just peel the skin off. It's brutal and it feels good. And it's legal. The cops won't come after you, no. You won't be charged with harassment. There we go. I'm just going to take that out of the way. Get all the yuckies out of there. Then we're going to cut it up. Real fine. Real fine. Making it a little mince meat. Chop it up. Chop it up. Chop it up. Don't cut your finger. Look, I cut my finger already. That wasn't even do nothing. I learned how to sharpen knives and I just went crazy around here. Just went crazy. So, be careful with sharp knives. That's all I got to say. Don't be a bonehead. The last step in the crock pot here is we add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. What that does, if you don't like acid, like a real acidic sauce, because acidic sauce makes me burp. I don't like it. So if you want to cut the acid down, you add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. And if you're a broke bonehead like me, see, I'm not like Nigella Lawson's fine ass. I don't know if you ever caught her show, but she's chunky, but she's good looking. And she has a magical pantry she goes into. Just walks around, oh, I think we'll get some sugar out of the pantry. Well, broke boneheads make do with other ways. So we're just going to put about 10 sugar packets here, available at any convenience store. I have my own don't ask, don't tell policy too, so we're not going to ask where we got them. But we just put some sugar in there, about 10 packets. You know, it should cut it down real nice. I'm telling you, some mushrooms would taste good in that sauce. And Kyle had those organic mushrooms. Just like Roy was saying, be organic, that's good. And you know what, Kyle, that little pot liquor owes me $50. Why not use his mushrooms? They're just mushrooms, right? I'm going to put them in. That's right, Kyle. Remember that $50 you owe me? Here goes your mushrooms. See what happens when you mess around? Last, we plug our crock pot in, put it on low. Now, if you're in a rush, you want it done in about, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours, put it on high. If you're going to be going to work, something like that in the morning, put it on low. It takes about 6 to 8 hours. And trust me, it's going to be yummy. So now we're going to take a little intermission. Later we're going to cook some garlic bread, and we're going to cook the spaghetti noodles. So there's nothing really going to be entertaining unless I can entertain you. They said we're supposed to get 12 inches plus of snow, and it's starting now. Look out, blizzard. Look out, lumbago. Mr. Snow Shovel, I'm coming to get you. Our sauce is done, so let's make some garlic bread. Means it's just me here right now. I'm only going to cut a couple pieces off. Put some butter on his tail. Lightly sprinkle with garlic powder. give us this day our daily bread, and bake at 3:25 for just about 10 minutes. Fill a pot of water about 2/3 of the way full. Boil it. Put a splash of vegetable oil in there. And a pinch of salt. So water's at a boil now. Let me just bust this in half. Spaghetti. Drop it in there. And let it cook for about 11 to 13 minutes. Doesn't, you know, it depends on if you like it with a little bit of bite. I think it's al dente or something. And or if you want it real limp spaghetti, leave it on for about 13 to 15 minutes, okay? Okay, our spaghetti is all soft. So we're going to strain it out. Ow! Hot water burn baby! Hot water burn baby! Our bread should be finished. It is. Very nice.